What is cryptojacking? Have you heard about this term cryptojacking before? If you haven't heard about cryptojacking, I'm glad you're here to know about what exactly cryptojacking is all about. Which will be a very short video. I'll just talk about the definition of cryptojacking. Well, before I explain about cryptojacking, let me introduce myself. My name is Ram Amancha, founder of Blockchain Expert Club, on a mission to create a world-class decentralized application with a pool of experts. So coming to this video, this particular topic, we're going to learn about what is cryptojacking. And cryptojacking is a malicious activity by the cybercriminals, and they're going to access the laptops or servers. It could be individual laptops or it could be companies' laptops to do the mining activities. For example, let's say anybody can get into mining, and all you need is some hardware resources. So let's say I'm getting into proof of stake mining. I have about, let's say, 10,000 is my investment, and I need a hardware to run these mining process. So what these hackers do is they'll try to attack these systems and see and gain access. They'll install this malware, and that malware will start mining for these environments or cryptocurrency or blockchain environments. So the user doesn't have control on that. So at the same time, your asset, that could be laptop or a server, is used for mining. It's going to consume more power, more electricity, more CPU, and you are burning your money for paying for that server, and somebody else is getting benefited. So that's exactly is called cryptojacking, where hackers will take your systems to do mining activities, or maybe they'll try to steal your public-private keys or the wallet information, use of wallet information for doing mischief, for doing these malicious activities. So how we can protect these activities? By simply installing the malware antivirus. That is the best way, and whenever you're not using your systems, take it down so that the attacks cannot happen. So just go offline, but servers which are online all the time, make sure you have a good firmware, a good antivirus protection on these servers to protect. I hope now you learned about what is cryptojacking, and you're enjoying my videos and learning something about blockchain through my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, do subscribe and help me grow this channel, grow the community of blockchain developers. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.